We are having the very first event for R3imagine Immersive, which is the inaugural Genesis Gathering. So we're here at CalArts, a beautiful architecture school in downtown Los Angeles in the Arts District. And we've got all different stations from mocap, AI, augmented reality, virtual reality, so much more, full of projects made of beautiful Black creators. And we're gonna come here today to reimagine our shared future and really try to create a world beyond our wildest dreams together. It's clear that immersive technology is becoming a greater and greater part of our world. And what I'm really passionate about is how we can use it to try to take knowledge from the past and use it to push our futures forward in a sustainable, ethical, impactful way. I had the idea and started this project before I started my journey at CalArts, but then I was able to work with the amazing faculty to try to expand it and dissect it and what it's really doing, what it really means. And so that's been really powerful in expanding the idea. And then they really made this whole event possible, which is bringing the whole project to a whole other level. But what I really want to see is for people of all backgrounds, people who may not have had access to bring their imaginations to life, to be able to bring their imagination to life because of immersive technology.